how to add blur on Capcut video. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can actually go ahead and add blur to a video on Capcut. So let's just go ahead and show you how it's done here. So you can see here, I'm currently editing something with Breaking Bad. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and add blur. Now, all I'm going to go ahead and do is click effects, and from effects, click video effects. Now you can see we now have all of these effects here. Now you can see that there are different types of blurs. Now there's a halo blur, there's maybe a rotation blur, there's just all these other blurs, right? But let's say that you don't want any of these and you just want a simple blur. Well, you're gonna click lens, and under lens, you should be able to go down and there should be just a blur option here. Now just go ahead and click on that and that'll go ahead and actually blur the background of your video. So you can see here, there's also a motion blur that you can go ahead and click, which is kind of like weird, but you can see that's how you blur it. Click the check and essentially that's how it's done, right? You can actually extend the actual sequence, the clip right here, for it to be blurred for a longer period. So that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you blur on Capcut. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and comment down below what other Capcut tutorials I should do. So with that being said, have an awesome day and I'll see you until next time.